All right, I want to do a quick review of the new product, Authority Accelerator by the Offline Sharks and David Sprague, which comes with a full training on doing marketing with local businesses, and it comes with a really cool software that I think you guys are going to love. But let's take a look at the training first, just so you get an idea of it. So inside the Authority Accelerator, you're going to start off with the little Start Here area up at the top. And in this area, you're going to get your starting video. Watch that first, and your access to the Review Pops software right from here. Next, they're going to talk about the big opportunity that you have with this particular program. And in here, you're going to see the secret to success, the trends that they're working with, how 99% of people do this particular thing wrong. You're going to talk about 1,000 reviews and the big opportunity, which you're going to see with the software in just a couple of minutes. The next thing we have is the Make Money Strategy, which is what we're all here for. And with this, you're going to learn all about how you're going to profit from doing this program, the Breakthrough Offer, the Authority Engine Strategy, the Review Pops Strategy, which again deals with the software, and the Review Pops Offer that you're going to provide. The next, you're going to learn all about generating the leads. And in here, you're going to see the 7 ways to sell, the free offer strategy, which is something that we've used quite a bit, the one-time offer, the residual offer strategy, upsells and downsells, closing strategy, referral and barter, and the reputation strategy. So all of this you're going to learn inside of here. And then you've got the instant customers area. And inside of here, you're going to learn all about the instant customers, the secret message, the patron swap strategy, the referral swap strategy, the email secrets, and the virtual call script, all of which you're going to learn about inside of here so that you can start to make money with these local businesses. But of course, the big part of this, at least for me anyway, is this software, which is the Review Pops software. If you don't know what this is yet, essentially what this does is it takes your 5-star reviews and pops them up on your website. So if you got a website for a local business, people are looking at that website in the corner, boop, popping up will be one of the 5-star reviews. A few minutes later, the next one. And it's a very, very cool software. So what we're going to do is we're going to add a business. So you're going to get inside the program here just like this, and then you start to add your business in here. So in my case, I'm going to put Impossible Escape Norcross into the system here. Okay, and you can see it actually knows it already. That's one of the great things about the software that David creates is he connects it with Google. So it's got the Google API built in, so it already knows this business. So if I click on this, it's going to fill all that in for me so that I don't have to, which is awesome because, quite honestly, I would have to go look up the phone number and postal code because I don't remember them off the top of my head. Anyway, you can see you put the website in there. We're going to change the time zone to the proper time zone, which is Eastern Time. If we can find it in here, Central Eastern Time. There we go. Eastern. Oops. Did I get that right? Eastern U.S. Come on. There we go. Eastern Time, U.S., Canada. Okay, first name on this, it's going to just come to me, so I'm going to put my own name in there because I'm going to be the contact person. And I'll just put owner, and the contact email they can send it to is this one. And I will put my phone number in there as well. And what this is going to do is, as things happen, automatically reports will be sent out to the person who's the company contact. So in your case here, this would be the owner of the business that you're doing this for. You can also put a business email in here as well. I'm going to put in events at impossibleescape.com. Okay. And so now all of our information is in here. So now we can hit next step. And this is where we're going to work on the design of the Review Pops. Because again, like I said, this is going to have a review pop up on your website, just like down here in the bottom corner. You can see here, David S., verified, Lorem Ipsum text right now. Okay, and so you can come in here and we can make any changes that we want to this. So we can put in a URL if we want to here. You can put in the style. So you've got the corner widget left and a corner widget right, which obviously we got it on the right. Okay, the pop-up type is a review widget, which you could also have a rating widget, which looks a little bit different. Okay. I'm going to switch it back to the review one, and you can actually edit this if you need to with the pixel, so you can put in your tracking codes in there. I'm not going to do that right now, but you can put your tracking pixel in there. And you can see here, 5 stars, David, blah, blah, blah. And here's, you can click on these, and that'll take you to the different reviews when you get them in there. Now over here, we got our, oh, by the way, you can do a call to action as well. So if you want to add that, you can do that. Okay, so on the big pop-up, you can actually have that call to action. And you would click on here, click to call, redirect. We could put in the phone number, which again, the phone number is that there. So we can come in and we can put the phone number in here. So now that's all set up, so we can close that down there. Now you'll notice here, we've also got this design button. So if you want to make any other changes, you can do that here. You can change the avatar from images to letters. It's up to you how you want to do that. So if we did image, it'll show the image there. If you do the letters, it'll just show that. Personally, I like the image when it's possible, so we might as well do that. You can also change any of the colors. So the verified text color, verified right there, you can change that. You can come down here and change the content text color. You can change the reviewer text color. You can change the stars color, the link color, etc., etc. Even the background can be changed up here. Okay, and we can hit next step. Okay, and that's going to take us to the widget area here, and you can see it's got the finish button. We've got our widget. So now all we have to do is copy this widget right here. And by the way, if you want to watch a video to learn more about this, you can do it here, but quite honestly, pretty simple. So now what we need to do is we need to go into our website and paste the code. So I'm going to go to our website here, and this is our Norcross website. And this particular one happens to be WordPress, but this doesn't have to be, you can do this in any type of site. It doesn't have to be WordPress, but in this case, it just happens to be. So I'm going to put in my WordPress login here, and we will log in. Okay, so now that you are inside your WordPress site, and again, if you're using a traditional HTML or some other builder, what you're going to do is you're going to paste the code inside the header. Now, for this particular site, I'm going to go to Settings, and I'm going to go to Insert Headers and Footers, and that's going to open this up here. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to paste that form or that code right into here, okay? And then I'm going to save that, and that should be it. We should be ready to go. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to load the actual page here, and we should see in a few seconds. Usually it takes a few minutes, or a few seconds, and then it'll pop. There we go, pop up, and it'll actually cycle through, and after a few more seconds, that one will go away, and then another one will pop up in a couple of moments. And so it's just going to keep doing that. So that one went away. Let's wait for the next one to come in here, and I'll show you what else we can do with that. So as this one comes up here, what you can do is you can hit the More button, and that's where it brings up the big one right here where you can see the whole thing, and you can click to call. And if we click this, which I won't because it'll call my wife who's working there right now and bug her. Well, actually, it'll just pop up a thing. But if we're on a phone, we click this, it'll say, do you want to call? And on here with my Mac, it'll actually pull up FaceTime and try to make a FaceTime phone call. And whatever program, whatever computer they're on, whatever the default calling tool is, could be Skype or what have you, it'll pull it up when they click that click to call button. But that's going to get you a lot more phone calls. It's going to give you that nice pop-up of the 5-star reviews that you get. So it's a very, very cool little program. And we hope that this will really help you guys to get new clients, providing them with something really cool that's going to allow them to showcase their 5-star reviews and hopefully get them more calls and sales. So that is the Authority Accelerator program along with the review pops. We hope that you like it. And if you got any questions, please feel free to reach out. I'll be glad to answer those questions for you. And of course, check out our bonuses because we got a lot of them for this particular program. And we hope you have a good weekend, and we'll talk to you soon.